Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock blue skin or the frostbitten skin in Heartopia game Winter Frost season. Okay, let's get into it guys. During the Winter Frost season event, you will be able to unlock this blue skin. And if you want to unlock this blue skin, you need to go to the Winter Utopia. And you're going to trigger the frostbore infection buff during this event. This means you will need to get the snowflake icon buff 6 times by touching the snowman on the top of the igloo. You're going to go to this big snowman and you're going to click on this snowman icon and it will change you to the snowman. And after you turning into a snowman 6 times and triggering the frostbore infection buff, you will unlock the ice crystal skin or this blue skin. Okay. And yeah, just trigger the frostbore infection and you will unlock this skin. I've already unlocked it, but for you who haven't unlocked this skin, don't forget to touch the snowman icon 6 times and then you can unlock this skin. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the blue skin in a Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!